Installation video for our rotating TV wall mount. Separate the wall mount. Pull the release cord down, then pull the TV plate up and out of the wall bracket to separate the mount into two parts. Wood stud mounting option. With a stud finder, locate the stud and center the wall plate on the stud at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, mark the center of the 3 mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/16 inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the smaller provided lag screws on the top 2 holes only. The larger provided lag screw and washer will be installed into the lowest hole. Concrete or brick mounting option. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall plate to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the 3 mounting holes. Use a 1/2 inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.6 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the concrete anchors. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the larger provided lag screws and washers. Assemble the visa mount. Ensure that the distance between the 2 visa arms matches the height of your TV's visa pattern. Attach the visa arms to the front of the TV plate using the bolts through the front and secured from behind using the nuts. Select the appropriate size mounting hardware for your display's mounting holes and attach the visa arms using the selected bolts in the orientation shown here. Hang the TV onto the mounted wall bracket and ensure that it is fully seated into the pocket of the wall plate until it clicks back into the latch. The screen can be rotated by pulling down on the pull cord, then pulling down or lifting one corner of the TV. Use the magnet on the end of the pull cord and attach it to the back of the mount to hide the cord from view.